Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you this factory sealed Independence Day laserdisc. I already took the plastic off, but just to show you exactly what's inside. So there's the nice, just talking about the movie and everything, and we've got, what do we got here? Independence Day free poster offer. So I don't think I'd have any luck mailing that in anymore. And this, I actually remember this from our VHS copy of Independence Day. That's why it's that size. This brought me back when I saw this thing. Yeah. It's signed on the back. That's pretty cool. And then this is just some winter, like a little magazine of Laserdisc titles, I guess. Talking about Volcano, Winter 1997, oh, Speed 2 Cruise Control, and oh, the Star Wars Trilogy Special Edition. And what's that? Exclusive Report, Alien Resurrection. Yeah, so these came inside, brand new. And yeah, I watched this disc, it looked super clean. Like, looked awesome on my, I had a new in the box player and I played this never before opened disc, so the two together looked super clean. Yeah, anyway, short quick video, that's all. That's the back. Thanks for checking it out. See ya.